Tired of your Google Ads campaigns getting paused because of payment issues? Let's fix that. First, sign into your Google Ads account once you're in. Look for the Tools and Settings icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see Billing and Payments. Click on that. This will take you to the page where you manage your payment methods. Now, on the left-hand menu, if it doesn't automatically show you the Payment Methods option, find the Payment Methods option and click that. This will bring up all of your current payment options. You'll see a list of your existing payment methods. To add a new card, find the Add Payment Method or Add Credit Card button. It's usually blue, and click it. A form will pop up asking for your credit card information. Carefully enter your credit card number, the expiration date, the CVV code, and your billing address exactly as it appears on your credit card statement. Double check all the information before moving on. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. After a moment, your new card should be added to your Google Ads account. Make sure to set your primary form of payment. And that's it. Your new credit card is now added to your Google Ads account. Your ads should now run smoothly. Remember to keep an eye on your billing settings and make sure your payment information is always up to date.